Hey everyone, welcome to another unboxing. This should be the almost last one for the Black Friday event. There's still one watch that should be here soon. It's been delayed about a 33-mile drive from here, so I'm hoping it doesn't stay delayed for long. It's been about a week. Anyway, it's the last one of the Black Friday. This is almost last one of the Black Friday event. And I have a bonus little bag here, which should be a bracelet, if I'm not mistaken. If it isn't that, I'll delete this and just go straight to the box. If it is that, I'll keep this in. Yeah, you get the idea. So let's start with the little bag. See what's in here. Keep this knife here. All right. It is a bracelet. Yes. This is a bracelet I bought for my Seiko Solar watch. I have a Seiko Solar dress watch. It's been on a NATO strap. It's been on plastic and a NATO strap. And I bought a Jubilee bracelet for it. Yeah, I like the watch. I haven't used it too much because I didn't like the leather strap it came in. I put it on a NATO, a brown leather NATO, and it's fine. It just doesn't fit perfectly because it's 21 millimeters and the NATO is 20. So just, if you don't look too closely at it, you won't notice. But I have a bit OCD on it, so it's annoying to know that it's a millimeter off. So seriously, a millimeter. Don't really notice it unless you're really paying attention. All right, this one plastic. I like the feel. I like the feel of it. All right, that's done there. Let's take this side off. All right. Almost done. There it is. Right there it is. And oh, a little bit there left. And I got these ends that hopefully match the watch. Otherwise, it's gonna have a little gap. Oh, before I continue on for the watch, for wrist check. Got the Hamilton Khaki King. It's one of my favorite watches. Keep it next to my Oris. But yeah, on the winder, always keep it on time. All right, so it's time for this. This is a Watch Gang mystery box. It's the stocking stuffer. It should be 2 watches and an Amazon gift card. We'll see. Hopefully, I'm not mistaken in that belief. But we will see. All right. No longer need the knife. All right, put it away. Time to remove this brown bag. Yes, it is 2 watches. First one's a Sottomarino. Put it right here. Next one is a Morphic. So I don't know Sottomarino too much, but I know Morphic is a watch Gang brand watch. They don't technically own it, but it's very prevalent in watch game. Let's just put it that way. And there is a gift card. So I wasn't wrong about that. Let's start with the Morphic. Certificate of authenticity. Okay. That's a big watch. And I don't know much about Morphics aside from that. Wow, this is really stock. Okay, there's that plastic. And there's that plastic. All right, it's a little better. All right, let's set the time. So 6:22. Okay. That's a Quartz watch. Very large dial. Very large. I mean, considerably large dial. Yeah, plastic there. Yeah, plastic here too in the case. There's plastic everywhere. I'm gonna try to remove the plastic here so that you can take a look. There we are. Morphic. Japan water resistant. Stainless steel. Sorry, it's all upside down, but you get the idea. All right. Let's take a look of it on wrist, so you can get an idea what it looks like on wrist. Let me just close the clasp, even though it's not gonna. It's actually pretty close. It's like a link off. Doesn't look too bad. Looks like it's a chronograph, but it's not. I don't really like the chronograph buttons right there. So, hey, it's something. It's something. Alright. So let me get to the other watch. Alright. Alright, next watch. The Sottomarino. Sottomarino. Looks like it's Italian. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Right. So the box includes international warranty and and it says it's a bidirectional bezel, which I'm not too familiar with. I haven't seen that too much. All right. Let's see. Bezel, does it move? It moves that way? It is bidirectional. Wow. Okay, it does move every way. Huh. It is. I believe this is a Quartz watch, based on the fact that the crown is not in place. It's actually out. So let's see. Let's see. So now it's p.m. if I'm not mistaken. 6. Okay. 6:20. $14. All right. There it is. Hey, hey. Okay, dog's barking at me. Shh. Shh. Okay. And I think the dial still has. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. Okay. There it is. All right. Now let's take a look at the back here. All right. Sottomarino, stainless steel, water resistant, Japanese movement, 10 atmospheres, water resistant. It looks nice. I'm not too familiar with the brand, just like the Morphic. I'm not too familiar with them. But this stocking stuffer is not meant to be expensive watches. It's meant to be kind of like gifts kind of thing. The idea is move it along so that other people can experience the gift of watches. And I'll consider that. So yeah. Is there any watch here that calls your attention? Let me take out the Morphic again. They're considerably different. Look at just the size on the dials. Look at that. The Morphic's almost double the size of the Sottomarino. Yeah. So let's take let me put the Sottomarino on wrist real quick so you can see the. Oh yeah, this one has a few links extra. You can see what the Sottomarino would look like on wrist. Not too bad, not too bad. Now let's do a quick lume check. If I can find, yes, there it is. Oh, wait, this is not in place. Just put the tag down so this can lock. Okay. So I have a feeling the numbers might have some luminescence. Yes, they do. Has some considerable luminescence there. Nice, nice. All right, now let's do a lume check on the Morphic, although I am less confident about that one having luminescence. All right, let's see. Maybe the dial portions. It does a little bit, yeah. A little bit on these hour markers. A little bit. All right. So, what y'all think? Yeah. All right. So putting them down. I think that's it for this unboxing. I hope you're all enjoying your watches. And hope you're all having a great day. Take care, everyone. Bye.